Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in this video, I am going to show you how do you see private Twitter accounts. So let's start. So first here, let's go ahead and open up Twitter and tap on search. Now in here, you can search for the handle of the Twitter account. So here I already have one. Tap on people. Now here, as you see, this is a private profile. So what you can do is you can tap on follow, and as soon as this person accepts your follow request, you will be able to see all this person's tweets and activities. However, if you don't want to send a follow request, what you can actually do is you can go ahead and go back to search. Again, search for that handle and just tap on the top searches. So here you can also see every tweet that is connected or related to that handle. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.